Alright, I guess this is round two. I just taped all of this and it didn't work, so I guess that's why I start early. So anyway, good morning, brilliant scholars. It's Corona Day 3, and here is our daily agenda, starting with what's going on around the world. First and foremost, best thing I found this morning is that China is reporting that they have no more new cases of the virus, or at least not recently, which is a great sign for us. There are certainly people talking about this day and night. Some people expect this to go well into the fall. Others say it's going to slow down sometime in the spring. Obviously, we don't really know, but we do know the other cases that are out there. And obviously, with China starting in December, that gives us kind of an idea of where, if we follow their model, where that might start to fall off. Closer to home, we are starting to feel more of the effects as more of the cases start to mount up. At the Harley-Davidson factory in Milwaukee, they had one worker test positive, and as a result, they are currently shutting down production. That is part of how the global economy is being affected by this outbreak. If businesses cannot stay open, it's very difficult for them to continue to make profits. More positive news, the Packers are bringing back Mercedes Lewis. That's a great tight end that really came on last year, so hopefully that is a good move for the Pack. And closer to home, if you take a look at right at the top right here, this is Coach Harris. We've announced, since we have been at home, that we have hired a new football coach and a new assistant track coach. Coach Harris comes to us after about 6 seasons at Waukesha North as their head football coach and their head track coach. Last year they were actually second at state. In track and field. I've known Coach Harris for many years. Great guy. Used to coach at Brookfield East as well, where they won many state championships. So hopefully we can get back together at some point during this year so a lot of you guys can meet our new coach. All right, let's get to our agenda. So our history kids, history is going to be from your textbook today. One of the reasons that we had or at least I had you guys look in your textbooks to begin with, was to make sure that you could access that. So you've all been in there. Now you should be able to find the section that we're talking about. I believe that is chapter 22. It's all linked on the agenda. You will read that section and then, of course, answer the questions in complete sentences. I don't know exactly how long that'll take. It should take everybody a little bit different amount of time because we're at different reading levels. I would think no more than 20 minutes. But you do have today to get that completed, so please get started on that right away. Global relations, you guys are continuing to view all of your projects, so make sure if you still haven't gotten those projects in that you do get that in. I'm definitely worried about a handful of students who haven't turned those in. Remember, those projects were due before we had this shutdown, so those should have been done long ago. And also remember, you have to keep up with your current events. Most of you have been, but there are a couple of kids who have not. Remember, for everybody, whether it's our history kids or global kids, you need to look at your school day like a normal school day. Get up, get after it, and get it done. Do not procrastinate and put things off, or it is going to really pile up. We are going to be doing this potentially for weeks. The last thing you want to do is try to make up all those weeks at the very end. Your school day right now, guys, should be a lot easier than it normally is. We do not have any passing periods. We don't have lunch breaks. There aren't study halls. There isn't that social interactions that we normally have that would obviously stretch our day out. You should be able to get your school day done in far less time than it would take to actually be at school. But that's, of course, if you get up and attack it. So attack the day, guys. Attack day 3. We're looking at the weekend coming very soon here. And, of course, you guys roll into spring break. I know it's not going to be nearly as fun as most of us won't be traveling anywhere or doing anything special, but you will have a break from school, and that'll give you plenty of time to do the things you want to do. All right, have a great Thursday, and I will be talking to you guys tomorrow.